Hi guys! It's been a long time. And hirap ah. Mahirap na walang script. Hi guys! It's me again, Jack Patubo of Eclations, and I hope you missed me because I missed all of you. I miss making videos like this. It's been a while since my last upload, and hopefully this one's gonna be quick, easy, and fun for all of us. Basically, a lot of things have happened in my life, but I will not tell them in detail to you tonight, except for one thing that's pretty much related to what we are making. Actually, last June 12, so this around June, July, August, September. So around 3 months ago, my daughter celebrated her 7th birthday. And when I asked her if she wanted a big party or, party na meron mga 7 wishes, 7 gifts, like that, she said she definitely didn't want those kinds of stuff. She didn't want to be at the center of the attention or attraction during the event. She didn't want to be seated down in front with people looking at her and talking to her. So, but she did request if we could have a quote-unquote DIY party. So, since she is fond of DIYs, probably influensya ko na rin, she wanted to have some form of craft stations on her party. So we researched and decided to have at least 4 craft or DIY stations as we celebrated. So we did the party in McDo and we had 4 stations. So McDo ATC, thank you for allowing us to have those stations there kahit na it was a bit messy. So we had a DIY slime station, a DIY tassel station, a DIY pom-pom monster station, and a DIY rainbow bracelet station. So for tonight, as I've mentioned, yung gagawin natin is something na quick and easy. DIY slime. So, I think marami naman sa inyo talaga marunong na gumawa nito. There are a lot of tutorials out there. Pero tonight, I'll sharing what we prepared. Kasi this is a party and we placed ready-made DIY slime making kits dun sa party. So each kid could just get one and then do it on their own. It came with instructions. I'll try to share the photos to you. They're actually in my Instagram account I think. Pero yan, sige, kung hindi man, just follow whatever I will be making tonight. So, yun, eto na. First, yung ingredients na ginagamit natin or ginagamit namin. Ito. Ayan. Elmer's School Glue. It has to be the gel one. Kasi siya yung pinakamadali para sa akin. So, I've tried a lot of glues. The type yung may white glue, may clear glue, may ibang brands ng glue. Pero, for the purpose of that party, yung nakita namin na pinaka mabilis na gamitin or madaling gamitin for the kids is the school glue. So, the school glue gel. Yan. So, for each kid had one of this. And then, my activator is a contact lens solution. And ito yung favorite namin gamitin. Dream Eye. So, I buy this from Starfinder. I think that's the name of the optical shop in Festival Mall. So, Dream Eye. Hyaluronic acid. So, it's a contact lens solution. And then, shaving gel. This one. Yan, dinidekwat namin siya kay Daddy Mer. So, mahal kasi yung shaving gel. So, we don't normally buy para lang sa mga ganito. Dinidekwat namin what he already has. Yan. Pero, syempre, for the purposes of the party, meron kaming 2 cans nung Nivea na cool shaving gel. So, pwedeng ito yung white. And then, there's also one na color blue yung can. Pero you have to make sure na it's gel, not the foam. Yun. And then container, mixer. So we used popsicle sticks, but I don't have one right now. So I'll just use a plastic spoon. Okay, so again, the Elmer's glue, school glue. We just need to open and pour everything into the container. And then, the next part is, we'll put the activator or contact lens solution. So as I've mentioned earlier, I actually just used around 6 ml of the contact lens solution. So I really measured it because I didn't want to be wasting around the contact lens solution. So there, I actually used the syringe pa. So this is around 6 ml and we're just gonna squirt it here. There. Yeah, we're making slime, baby. Yeah, that's my baby. Just watching what we're doing. There. And then, okay.
Check out my channel.
Yeah. So, as you can see, as you start mixing it, medyo nagiging parang slimy or thicker na yung consistency ng glue natin with the activator. So, kung sakali naman na kulang pala yung 6 ml, we can just add yung activator kasi it's what's making the glue, thicker.
That's awesome, guys.
Tama ba, baby?
I make slime.
Am I saying it right?
It goes thicker, and then when you add the shaving gel, it will make like slimy.
Yeah. And then for the shaving, so after that, we'll add the shaving gel. Actually, ito, yung nakikita ko common sa mga bata, they tend to put a lot. Pero you can actually put a few lang squirts.
I know how.
Like, yan.
That's enough, Mommy.
This is enough na, no? Or too much na nga siya yata.
Yeah. You might get a fluffy slime or something. I always make glossy. I end up like starting into
Ayan na. It's starting.
I think you have...
Did I put too much?
No, I think you have fluffy slime. Don't worry. Fluffy slime's always like that.
Yeah, I like it fluffy.
Fluffy slime or glossy slime?
I don't like it being too kasi.
I make glossy slime.
Too sticky. What's glossy, baby?
It's like, a little sticky, but it's not that sticky, and then you get to play with it.
It's slimy na. So, diba, you didn't really have to finish a whole bottle of, a whole can of shaving cream just to get to this slimy consistency. You see, very minimal lang yung ginamit natin.
Can I play with that later?
Yes, very minimal lang yung ginamit natin na
Guys,
materials.
I also have slime.
It's like this na. Slime na siya.
Wait,
See?
I'm just gonna check if it's like fully activated.
You're using. Put your hand here.
It's fully
covering.
activated.
Yeah, see? So, it's fully activated na daw. Dana approved. Slimy na siya. So, if you want, you can actually add pa food coloring, poster color, acrylic. Baby, here, covering camera. Yeah.
My hand's stuck.
Yeah. So, you can add pa food coloring or poster paint or acrylic paint to make it.
Or you can add real food coloring.
Yeah, food coloring to make it a different color. There. So, there you have it, guys. This is our quick DIY tutorial video. You can just opt to add more activator, contact lens solution, or shaving gel to get to the consistency that you like. Pero ito, see, it's very slimy na as it is. Tada! So, very quick and simple. So, I just wanted to share this with you kasi I noticed when we started experimenting, we tend to consume a lot of ingredients, pero hindi naman pala kailangan na ganun sobra. So, this is just, 1 bottle of school glue, 6 ml of contact lens solution, and a few squirt of that shaving gel. Thank you guys. Hope you had fun and hope you learned, and I wish to see what kind of slimes you will end up with. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng glitters, ng gems, ng rhinestones, and so on. Thank you guys! Na tayo. So again, very quick, very easy, and very few materials lang. You can already come up with slime. I wanted to show you pa sana the output, the final product, kaya lang nandun na sa baba, pinaglalaroan na ng mga girls natin. So, I hope you had fun watching that, and I hope you can try making your own. Teach your kids to, your mga apo, pamangkin, or whosoever na mahilig sa slime. Bango. Bango na shaving gel ni Daddy. So, yun. And then, siguro, station lang sa channel ko. Please subscribe. Kasi susunod, I'll teach you naman yung very quick and easy ribbon tassel natin. So, it's not the way I do it para sa mga products na sinisell ko. Pero I'll show you how we would have done it as part of our craft station during my daughter's birthday last June. Thank you guys! Good night! Bye!